Hello, it's Paula Fuller here, also known as That Health Lady. And I'm here today to talk to you just a couple minutes about dental insurance. So I have been selling dental insurance and health insurance for multiple years. And what I have found is that most dental insurance sucks, truthfully. Okay, you're basically, if you add up the cost of your premiums and you divide it by the month, or you divide it by how much you really spend. It basically is a prepaid program for your dental cleanings and x-rays and annual exams. There's not a whole lot in there. And if you require crowns and root canals and surgeries and dentures and implants and more serious type things, your coverage is not going to pay for it unless you wait a couple years. There's a waiting period, and then they pay 50% on this for this procedure, or 25% on this one, or whatever. And the truth is that you could have managed your money perhaps a little bit better. Maybe there's a little bit of coverage, but there is the peace of mind in knowing that when you go that there is some coverage, and I'll give you that, okay? I have found that dental discount programs actually work better for those of us that require a lot of dental work. You will receive a 20 to an 80% discount on just about everything when you go in, when you need it. The premiums are typically a one-time annual fee of $60, $80, and it may or it may not cover a cleaning or an x-ray or something. So with the discount plans, you can really get a lot of work because there's no waiting period. If you need $3,000, $5,000 worth of work done on your teeth, a couple root canals and or some crowns or some fillings, or you need something done, then you can get it done. And I think that's really important. But I have found an actual insurance policy that has just been created maybe 6 months ago, a year ago, and it's affordable and it covers first day coverage. It doesn't cover much, okay, on your major work, your major restorative work, but it does cover things like implants and root canals and crowns and even dentures at 10% the first year. They'll only pay 10%, but it's still a 10% discount. And then there's, after 2 years and 3 years, you'll have more coverage, but the premiums are low and you do get that first day coverage on major work if you require it. The network of doctors, of dentists is really, really good. And I have found that I'm very particular about my dentist because I like a holistic perspective on dental work. It's difficult to find biological dentists. It's difficult to find dentists that take in the whole wellness thing. And most of these dentists are extremely expensive compared to other dentists. You can't find them. They have a wait list, all that kind of stuff. But I have found that this plan covers a lot of the dentists that may not have those designations, but have a lot of those beliefs. And I know that because I know the dentists personally, and they're part of this program. So but wherever you are in the country, this will cover you. You need to be a resident of the state that you purchase it in, okay, the coverage. But if I found a really great dentist in another state that actually took this insurance, I could use it there. And so that's really, really cool. And again, your health and your wealth are all tied together with your emotional health. All of our teeth are acupressure points for different body parts. I had a dentist in Boulder, Colorado, that he would do a full exam on your teeth, and then he would put together this notebook that was, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 pages, depending on who you were and what your issues were, discussing all the emotional components behind your teeth. And then he would give you homework to work on those before he worked on your teeth. Now, how cool is that? Because once your teeth are gone, they're gone, all right? And it creates a whole lot of problems. But in my opinion, and I highly, highly recommend that you research it yourself to come to your own conclusion. Research root canals, all right? And crowns usually go on teeth that have been root canaled. And in most cases, it's better to have the tooth removed. Not only will you save several $1,000s and a lot of pain, you're going to get rid of the infection if it's done properly. So there's all kinds of stories I can go into about the dental health and the mental health and the physical health of the body. That's not the purpose of this video. This video is really just to encourage you to have a good dental plan. Go to Google, go somewhere, research acupressure points and emotional components of teeth, print one of those things out. You can email me, paula@thathealthlady.com, and go under dental, check out some of the dental programs I have. Or I actually have a download there. You can request the download of the teeth connection, and I'm happy to send that off to you and do the emotional work prior to seeing the dentist. Also, look and see, I had one issue. I went to this dentist when I was in Boulder, and I was having some kidney issues, and my tooth was hurting really bad, and he says, what else is going on in your body? And I said, just my kidneys, you know. And he's like, oh, well, let's look it up. And he knew, but he took me to the chart to look it up, and sure enough, that tooth was related to my kidneys. And so I started working on my kidneys, but I didn't understand the emotional component behind the kidneys. And so now I follow the trail, and I get to that emotional perspective, and I do my best to deal with that. And sometimes, you know what, it's just a broken tooth. It's, you know, but why did it break? And why, you know, you get back to the why, and take it down several levels. So dental insurance is really important. Most of the plans out there are a waste of money, but I can lead you to a couple really good programs that are actually dental discount programs. And I can help you with this new plan that I have found. It's extremely affordable. It's available in most states. I don't think it's available yet in all 50 because it's a fairly new program, but it's the closest thing to real dental insurance. Now, the other thing is, if you work for a massive company with tens of thousands of employees, of course you're going to have better insurance. But for most of us, working for a company with under 1,000 employees, it's not going to happen. And even if you are with one of the bigger companies, only the executives get the good stuff. So let me help you find the right program for you at the right time, and just stay healthy, smile a lot. You can see I've got dental issues here. You need teeth, and you know, it's just part of life. And I'm grateful for dentists. I'm grateful for things that can help us cosmetically and help us emotionally. You know, when your smile's messed up, you don't want to smile. And smiling is really good for your health. It's really, really good for you. So smile on, be happy, and God bless you today. Get yourself some health insurance, okay? And I guess that's all I have to say. I'm just outside enjoying my coffee every morning and having these little chats with you. So thank you for viewing in. I know that the algorithms like me to have longer video chats, but you know what? It is what it is. So God bless you. There's the rooster. Time to go. Talk to you later. Bye.